just about to watch. Hard to work. Obviously, I'm standing in a safe area away from him. And yeah, just about to watch him take off. And there he goes. Whilst I have the rest of my food for today, he's doing a little bit of the hard work. And count. This is one of our short aisles, of course. Of course, we do have some more racking available for further 3PL customers currently at Newport. Don't know how much longer it's going to last. You know, it's great for you guys, great for us guys, especially you haven't got that warehouse. We spoke about that last week. But really cool thing here is this is all being condensed and left open. So there's a new 3PL customer going in up to 11 metres up there. Fantastic. There's Di, all at height. So before I get back to a bit of training with the staff, a bit of health and safety training, thanks very much. Cheers, bye bye.